Glamour questioned upswings even further as several Bollywood celebrities graced the grand celebration of International Indian Achievers Award 2014. BJP senior leader Nitin Gadkari also appeared at the award ceremony to lend his support and appreciate overseas Indians for their outstanding performance. Gadkari praised the nominees who made India proud on a global level with their excellence in diverse arenas. The Punjabi hunk Ayushmann Khurrana left the audience enthralled with his witty jokes and engaging candid acts on stage as a host. After quite a long time, the actor took the center stage and anchored for an award show. The Glitzy Affair witnessed a brigade of A-listers of Bollywood celebrities who graced the Glitzy Affair. Designer Rohit Verma also showcased his creative collection at the event. Gorgeous newbies of Tinseltown, Alia Bhatt and Pariniti Chopra were also spotted at the do.
Well, I definitely think it's a first that so many Indian international achievers are being awarded in so many various fields, whether it's literature, whether it's business, whether it's film, whether it's whatever. So I think that's really cool because I feel everybody should be awarded for the good work that they do. And I'm just come to support Indian achieving all over. I'm also a proud Indian and I hope to achieve and make my country proud.
एक्चुअली मुझे रिहर्सल में भी रोना आ गया और परफॉर्मेंस में भी रोना आ गया. एक्चुअली जब भी मैं यश जी की आवाज़ सुनती हूँ मुझे एक्चुअली आई मिस हिम एंड क्योंकि हम लोग रोज़ उनसे मिलते थे, हम उनके साथ खाना खाते थे एंड मतलब 3 साल मैं उनको जानती थी. इतना लंबा टाइम नहीं है लेकिन जिस तरह के इंसान यश जी थे इट वाज वेरी इजी टू गेट क्लोज टू हिम. So I miss him a lot and I was very proud to do this tribute for him today.
Yesteryear actress Poonam Dillon was also present at the award ceremony. She recently launched International Indian Achievers Award along with co-founder of Poetic Justice Events and Entertainment Anil Murarka. This award has been designed to honor overseas Indian achievers who have glorified the Indian flag on international grounds in different arenas. Celebrated stand-up comedian Raju Srivastav gave a fantastic laughter therapy to the audience present at the ceremony with his spectacular sense of humor. Bollywood singer Sunidhi Chauhan also made her presence felt at the brand new award function.
बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है अनिल मुरारका ने. NRIs के लिए अवार्ड रखे हुए हैं. जिन लोगों ने हमारे देश का नाम विदेशों में जाके ऊंचा किया है उनको हम सम्मान देने जा रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत है, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे मौजूद हूँ.
जी नहीं, मैं गाने तो नहीं बट आई एम हियर टू वॉच द शो एंड बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद सभी लोगों को जिन्होंने ये IIAA शुरुआत की है और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर, वेरी हैप्पी टू बी इनवाइटेड.
Powered by NNIS.